this is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Teochew Braised Chicken. I was having dinner at a friend's place, and his mother made this Teochew Braised Chicken. It's the first time I had tried this dish. It has a floral, gingery fragrance with a hint of sweetness from the dried longans. It's an interesting dish. I asked for the recipe so that I can share this with you today. So, this is it. For the ingredients, I have here half a chicken which I have chopped into pieces. You can use other parts of the chicken like wings and thighs only. I also have here some young ginger. Now, there's a difference between young and old ginger. Young ginger is lighter in color with a thinner, more translucent skin. It has a more floral fragrance and is tender and is juicier than the old ginger. Therefore, young ginger is meant to be eaten. Old ginger has a darker color, has a stronger ginger note, it's spicier and more fibrous. Therefore, we use old ginger for flavoring rather than eating. We will also need some dried longans. As usual, the amount of ingredients to use is listed in the description below. This is a really simple dish to make. To stir fry, put a pan over medium heat. When the pan is hot, add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, add in the ginger. Stir fry this ginger till it's fragrant. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. When you smell the ginger fragrance, add in the chicken. Fry the chicken till it's slightly brown. Something like this. Next, add enough water to fill up about half the height of the ingredients. Add in the dried longans. Then the seasoning. That's the Chinese cooking wine, oyster sauce, light soya sauce, salt, sugar, sesame oil, and a dash of pepper. Give all this a good mix and bring this to a boil. Then lower the heat to a simmer. Cover. Simmer this for about 10 to 15 minutes. At the end of the simmering process, you should be left with a little gravy at the bottom of the pan. If there's still too much gravy, bring it back up to a full boil and let it boil uncovered. Continue to boil this till you have a little gravy left at the bottom of the pan. Taste and adjust for seasoning. This is Teochew Braised Chicken.